Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, so children, let's, yesterday we started a new chapter. What is that? Fraction of a number. Fraction of a number. So who can give me how we can find the fraction of a number? To find the fraction of a number, what we have to do?
Multiply the fraction.
Yes, we multiply the number and the fraction.
Shravan is
Okay.
not there in the last class.
Why Shravan, you were not there?
Ma'am, I can't enter.
You cannot enter. So please check the, I'm repeating, but to understand more clearly, please see the recorded classes. Okay, my dear?
Ma'am.
Okay. So children, to find the fraction of a number, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number and the fraction. Okay. So before starting that, I told you to revise the multiplication tables today. Let me ask. Only table 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy tables. Yes, children, are you ready? Yes, Abhinav, I will start with you. 2 questions I will ask. Okay. 9 into 2.
18.
18. Very good. 7 into 5.
7 into 5, 35.
35. Okay. Yes, Adiga, ready?
Yes.
9 into 4.
36.
36. 9 into 2. Again, the same.
18.
18. Irene. 7 into 3. 7 into 3.
21.
21. Very good. 5 into 3. 5 threes are?
15.
15. Yes. Ameya. 6 threes are? Ameya? Yes, Andrea. 6 threes are? 6
30.
3. 6 into 3.
18.
18. Okay. 7 into 2.
14.
14. Okay. So children, if you have any doubt, revise regularly. Okay. So that you will, speed will improve. Okay. Devananda. 6 into 4.
21.
7 into 3 is 21. What about 6 into 4? 6 into 4. Someone is there to help you? 6, 4.
Ma'am, can Daros say the answer?
No, Daros. No, Daros. Who's 6 into 4? Yes, Yashika, can you help Devananda? 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? Yashika, help Devananda.
24.
24. Okay. 24. 6 into 4. 24. Don't forget this again. Yes, Akshara.
Yes, ma'am.
9 into 5.
45.
45. 5 into 5.
25.
25. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
6 into 5. Siddharth. 6 into 5. Let me see your face.
30.
Some children, maybe some books will be there down.
30.
Look at, okay, 30. And 6 into 3.
50.
6 threes are, my dear. 5 threes are 15. 6 threes are?
18.
18. Okay. Anna Rose?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 8 into 3. 8 into 3. Table of 3.
Ma'am, I did, but I forgot. Can I say?
Okay. So there was 9 into 3. 9 into 3. There was 9 into 3. Why the video is off? 27. Okay, 24. So children, what do you have to 24. Do? Okay, 24. Children, please revise regularly. In the next class, you want to learn 3 more. 6, 7, 8. Will you be ready? Yes, if you know the multiplication tables, you can do the division and here to find the fraction of a number, everything you can do faster. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Okay, so children, we will start from Yesterday, some children were absent. I'm going to repeat one question again. See, children, yesterday we find fraction of a number. How to find the fraction of a number? We have to multiply the number and the fraction. So I want to find out 2 by 3 of 9. See, children, look at the question here. I want to find out what is 2 by 3 of 9. So what we have to do,
3 into 9.
Instead of, we will write the fraction same like that, 2 by 3. And instead of this of, what we have to do?
Multiply.
Okay, children, those who are not there, Shravan and I don't know who was absent yesterday. Please, I am repeating this again. Instead of, we have to do multiply. And which is the number here? 9. Okay. So what we have to do here? 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. 18 divided by 3. What's the answer? If you know the table of 3 times which number you will get 18, you can say faster. 6. Okay, 6 3s are 18. That means 18 divided by 3 is 6. Understood? Okay, now let's do one more question. Okay, 1 by 7 of 21. 1 by 7 of 21. What we have to do, children? We will write the same number fraction, 1 by 7. Instead of this multiply. Then write 21. Okay, now what we have to do? Multiply these numerators. 1 into 21?
21
divided by 7.
3.
7 3s are 21. Those who have studied, revised the tables, they are saying the answers faster. 7 3s are 21. Yes, children. If you have revised, are you able to do the division faster? Yes? And if you have not revised well, I think some children, they are counting, then thinking, they're taking long time. Yes? So what you have to do, if you have not revised today well, you can practice again in the next class. Okay, Anna? Yes? Table of those who have not revised today, table 2, 3, 4, 5, they have to revise that also, plus 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now children, please take your math workbook, page number 24. We have completed 6 questions, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yashika, mute your device. Question, page number 24. Page number 24, question number 7.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Yes, Irene. Read question number 7. Page number 24, question number 7.
2 by 3 of 9 by 9.
I think we have done just now that. Yes. 2 by 3 of 9 here. Yes, we will do that again one more time. Page number, children, we are doing math workbook. Page number 24, question number 7. So children, we had to find out 2 by 3 of 9. So instead of 2 by of, what you will write? Multiply. 9 2s are 18. 18 divided by 3. What's the answer? 6. So question number 7, we can write 6. See children, 6. If you want to do these calculations, you can use your rough book. Okay. Or on the side of the workbook itself, or on the rough book, you can do the calculations. Okay. Next one. Deros, can you read question number 8?
Ma'am, can you show the answer?
The answer is here. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer of question number 8.
Wait. Who is going to read it? Deros, are you there? Question number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 8.
1 by 7 of 14 is dash.
1 by 7 of 14. So how to do that? We will write 1 by 7. Instead of this of, multiply 14. So we will multiply these two. 1 into 14.
14.
14 divided by 7. 7 times which number you will get 14? 2. 7 2s are 14. See children, I am writing only the answer here. But if you have any doubt, you can do these calculations in the rough book or on the side of your workbook. Yes? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Asher Benny, can you read question number 9? Do you have the book with you? Asher? Yes?
Ma'am, I got 9th answer.
Okay, wait. Asher, do you have the book? Yes, Akshara. Read question number 9. Akshara.
Yes,
Question number 9.
1 by 6 into 60.
1 by 6 into 60. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 60. Okay. So what do you do? 1 into 60 is 60. Divided by 6. 6 times which number you will get 60?
6 times 10.
10. You know 10 into 6. So if you have any doubt, you can see any number divided by the same number. 1. 1 into 6 is 6. Bring down 0. That's 0. That is, we know the table. Yes, multiplication table of 10. 10 into 6 is 60. So the answer is 10. Okay, children, clear? Yes, is there any doubt? What we have to do instead of you will do multiply. Then we will multiply the numerators, then divide by the denominator. Clear? Now, I will teach you another method, that is cutting method. But maybe you will find it little confusing. You have to study that in class 5 only. Okay, but just for your knowledge, I am showing you that method. If you want, you can use that, no problem. But if you know the earlier method that we have done just now, you can use that only. Maybe it will be little confusing. Class 5 only, the children, they are doing that method. That is cutting method. Okay, so listen carefully. The same questions I will repeat. Question number 7, 8, and 10. So question number 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, so if you please let me say that again. Who is calling me?
Ma'am, Shravan.
Yes, Ravan.
Ma'am, what is the 4th question?
I will send the notes in the group, my dear. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, I told you, if I am teaching you this method, maybe you feel little confusion. Don't get worried. If you are not don't want to do that method, okay, fine. You can use the method but we have studied yesterday. Okay. So same questions, children, I'm going to repeat. What is question number 7? Cutting method. It's not that much very difficult, but if you are feeling so, no need to use that method. See, first question is 2 by 3 of 9. Okay. So what we have done, we multiplied 9 2s are 18 by 3. We know 6. Yes. But how to use cutting method? We can, if this is divisible by 3, look at the denominator. If 9 is divisible by 3, means 3 times which number? Can you see the table of 3? Is there any 9? Yes. How many times? 3 times 3 is 9. That means this 3, how many times in this 9? 3 times. So we will cut this 1 into 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So what is remaining here? We cut this 3 and we cut this 9. So that 3 times 3 is 9. So what is remaining here? 2 times 3 only. What is 2 into 3?
6.
6. So we can use this method. That is called cutting method. We will see if this denominator and here the numerator, if it is divisible by, if they have common factors, we can here we can divide. See, 3 into 1 is 3 and here 3 3s are 9. So here the remaining numbers are 2 and 3. You have to multiply 2 into 3. So that is 6. Okay, see children, if you don't want to use this method, okay, it's fine. Don't get confused. Second question, that is question number 8. 1 by 7 into 14. Now look here, is there any? How many times 7 you will get in 14?
2.
2. So 7. How many times in 14? 2 times. What is 2 remaining here? We have to multiply 1 and these 2. What is 1 into 2? 2. So we got here the answer, same answer, yes?
Yes.
Understood? But we cannot cut like this. We can cut only one denominator and one numerator. Okay, children? So that is the method we can use in higher classes. And
Ma'am, this method is very confusing.
that I told you. If you have any problem, no need to use. Okay. Now next one, question number 9. 1 by 6 into 60. So when you go to higher classes, you can see, we have started this. I have seen this in my class 4. You can remember like that. But if you don't want to use it now, okay. Yes, children, just for your information. So children, look here. 6, how many times in 60? 10 times. Yes. So we will cut this 6 and this 60, it's 10. So 10 into 1 is 10. So we will, any method, we will get the same answer. Okay. So we will follow our old method only. Okay. So for your information, I have done this cutting method. Okay. Now we will start with question number 11. Which method we have studied before? Agna, can you read question number 11?
Find 1 by 5 of 30.
Yes. From children, here we have the space to write the steps. Clear? Don't write how we have written fill in the blanks. Don't write like that. You have to use steps. How many steps are there, Abhinav? How many lines? Question number?
2 lines.
2 lines. Question number 10.
Ma'am, you can find 3 by 4 of a meter in centimeter.
Okay, my dear, please wait. Yes, Abhinav, we are going to do question number 10. 10, okay. So, Agna, read question number 10.
Find 3 by 4 of a meter in centimeter.
Okay. So, don't say the answer louder. I will ask one by one. So, children, we are doing now page number 25. Page number 25, question number 10. So, what's the question? Find 3 by 4 of a meter. Yesterday we have discussed what is 1 meter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
100
100.
centimeter.
Okay. So children, we will write the step here. 3 by 4. Instead of this of, what we will write?
Multiply.
Multiply. And a meter. 1 meter equal how many centimeter?
100 centimeter.
So you have to write this step here. Okay. So 3 by 4, you have to find 3/4 of 100 centimeter. Okay, now multiply 3 into 100 and tell me. 3 into 100?
300.
300. Okay. 3 into 100 is 300. What is the denominator here? 4. Now all the children, please take the rough book and do this division alone. You have to do alone. Don't say the answer now. I will give you 1 minute. 300 divided by 4. You know 3 is small. We cannot divide. So 30. How many times 4 can be taken from 30? Look at the multiplication table. Do the division and wait. Don't say the answers.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Wait. Yes, 30 divided by 4. How many times 4 can be taken from 30? Yes, children? Table of 4. Table of 4. Do you remember table of 4? So which number from, yes, tell me 4 times how many number we will take from 30?
7.
7. Yes. What is 7 into 4? Abhinav?
28.
28. Yes. So the number before 30, that is the multiple of 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now 30 minus 28, we will get 2. Bring down 0. Okay. Now 20 divided by 4. How many times 4 can be taken from 20?
5.
4 times?
5.
5. 5 into 4 is 20. 5 fours are 20. So what is the answer? 75 centimeter. What is centimeter? CM. Some CM is not chief minister. Yes. What is CM? What is CM? Centimeter. So children, look at the unit you have to write according to that. If it is minutes, you have to write minutes. If it is like gram, you have to write that gram. Now this meter we have changed into centimeter. Meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what we have to do, you have to write the unit. That is also CM should be written there. 75 centimeter. Is that clear, children? Any doubt? Do question number 11 alone. 1 by 5 of, instead of multiply 30. 1 into 30 is 30. 30 divided by 5. Find out the answer. Fast.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Those who know the table of 5, they will write it very fast.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Let me see how many got. Don't say the answer. Let me see how many got the answer.
30
30 divided by 5. Yes, children. How many got the answer? Raise your hand. So tell me the answer. 30 divided by 5. What's 6? Everybody got the same? Yes. So 6 into 5 is 30. 6 into 5 is 30. So here the answer is 6. So if you know the table of 5 very fastly, we can do this. Yes. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, question number 12. Do alone again. What is the question? Devananda, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number?
Find 1 by 3 of 15.
Yes, 1 by 3. Instead of, we will do multiply. Then
Finish.
15. So 1 into 15 is 15 divided by 3. Yes.
And finish.
Very easy. Yes. 15 divided by 3. What's the answer?
5.
5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Have you all completed?
Yes.
Yes. Amaya, can you read question number 13? Yes, Amaya. Question number 13.
Find 1 by 10 of a meter in centimeter.
Okay. So children, here we have question number 13. We have A and you have to write here B also. Okay, please adjust the space. A on the left and B you can write it on the right side. Yes. Yes, Arav. Can you say again what is the question? Question number A. Arav. 1 by 10 of a?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Find a 1 by 10 of a meter.
Meter. See, I'm repeating the question again. If you have the question there, no need to write this step. No need to repeat it again. Okay. So children, what we'll write here? 1 by 10 again. Instead of multiply. Instead of a meter, how many centimeter? 1 meter? 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Multiply and find out. 1 into 100 is 100 divided by 10. Find out the answer alone. And that much centimeter. Those who have completed question number A, please do question number B also alone. What is question number B? 2 by 10. 2 by 10 of a meter. Okay. Did you get the answer 100 by 10?
10.
10. Yes, 10 into 10,
10.
100. If you know the multiplication table of 10, the answer is 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so what you will write the next step? Start, children, alone. 2 by 10. Write the same step, 2 by 10. Instead of this off, we will do multiply. A meter we have done just now 100 centimeter. 2 into 100 is 200 divided by 10. Find out the answer. By the time I will take your attendance. 1 minute. Now children, please check. What's the answer, children? Look here, 2 by 10 into 100. So we will write 2 by 10 into, what is 100 when you multiply 200 by 10? What's the answer you got? 200 divided by
20.
20. We know that is 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20. So bring down this 0, 0. Okay, so the answer is 20 centimeter. Have you all got this answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so children, that much for today. And please revise your multiplication tables daily. Okay, if you know the tables, it's very easy. We can do it faster. So for the next class, which all tables? 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget this. Okay, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so Hannah was present that time when I called. You were not. It's not able to hear you. Okay, I will put the present. Okay. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye.